Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready? Open WhatsApp and go straight into a chat where you recently saw the sticker you want. Once in the chat, tap the emoji button at the left of the text field, then switch to the sticker tab to load your packs. Make sure you can see the sticker in the message thread or in the panel. This lets you access the long press menu. Doing this now saves time when you add it to favorites in the next step. Now long press the exact sticker you want to keep. You can do this on the sticker in the chat or on the sticker preview inside the panel. When the menu appears, choose Add to Favorites or the star option. That action stores the sticker under the Favorites tab for fast reuse. Once done, repeat for any other stickers you use often. Make sure you're signed into the same WhatsApp account so your favorites remain consistent across your devices. Finish by opening the sticker panel and tapping the star-shaped Favorites tab. There you'll see every sticker you saved for quick sending. To use one, tap it and it sends immediately. To clean up, long press a favorited sticker and pick Remove from Favorites. If the star tab or recent favorites don't appear, make sure your app is up to date and restart WhatsApp. That simple troubleshooting step fixes most sync or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.